Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use Zoho Writer. We'll begin by understanding its core interface and key functionalities. Zoho Writer is a versatile, cloud-based word processor, perfect for creating professional documents. It offers a clean workspace and intuitive controls, making document creation straightforward for everyone. You can start a new document in just a few clicks, ready to bring your ideas to life. Now, let's dive into creating and editing your documents. Zoho Writer allows you to start with a blank canvas or choose from many pre-designed templates to save time. The intuitive toolbar provides all the essential formatting options, from font styles to paragraph alignment. You can easily insert elements like images, tables, and hyperlinks to enrich your content, making your documents visually appealing and informative. One of Zoho Writer's strongest features is its collaboration capability. You can effortlessly share your documents with colleagues, setting precise permissions for viewing, commenting, or editing. Real-time collaboration means multiple people can work on the same document simultaneously, seeing updates instantly. Utilize the robust commenting and track changes features to streamline feedback and revisions, ensuring everyone stays on the same page. Finally, let's look at some advanced tools and how to export your work. Zoho Writer offers sophisticated features like mail merge, document automation, and custom functions to enhance your productivity. It integrates smoothly with other Zoho applications, creating a unified workspace. When your document is complete, you can easily export it in several common formats, including PDF, Microsoft Word docx, and OT, ensuring broad compatibility.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.